Before you begin, the pipe must be cut square, chamfered, deburred, and free of any dirt. Then, dry fit the pipe to test for interference between 1/3 and 2/3 insertion, and clean pipe and fitting hub with OT cleaner. Next, apply primer inside the fitting hub. Outside the pipe, and then back inside the hub. Apply cement to the exterior of the pipe and inside the fitting hub. Then back to the exterior of the pipe. While turning a 1/4 turn, assemble the parts by inserting the pipe into the fitting hub until the pipe reaches the bottom of the fitting hub. Then hold for 30 seconds to prevent push-out. Finally, wipe off the excess cement. To determine when your system is ready to test, review the OT Solvent Weld Cure Time chart.